Hello friends, welcome to Ceylon Software. In this video, we will see a simple download and installation of VS Code. So in Google, if I will type download VS Code, okay, the first link, just I will click the first link and you see download Visual Studio Code and it is completely free software. So it is clearly identifying free and built on open source. So you see VS Code software available for Windows operating system, for Linux operating system, and for Mac operating system. Basically, I am requiring for Windows operating system. So what I will do, so I will click on Windows operating system and you see automatically VS Code software downloaded. Okay, now I will go to my download options and I will install and you see, so here just I will select, I accept the agreement. Click on next option, click on next option. So very simple. Click on next and you see, so create a desktop what icon, add open with code, whatever the box I selected, all box you selected. Click on next option, click on install. So now after downloading VS Code, in this way, I am installing VS Code, very popular, very widely used environment where we can develop and execute varieties of applications like HTML applications, JavaScript applications, any programming language applications like Java applications. So varieties of applications that we can develop and execute in VS Code environments. Then click on finish. So in this way, we downloaded and we installed VS Code software. Okay, so this is my VS Code environment, and there are so many menus, file, new file. We can create a new file. Okay, suppose I will develop a JavaScript file. So what I will do, I will go to suppose in a drive, I will make a folder. Let my folder name is JavaScript. I will come to my VS Code environment. So you see, so you can create a new file also, or you can create open folder. I will go to A drive. I will go to my this JavaScript folder. Okay, so as a result, so this folder came to this environment, whatever the file I will develop, JavaScript file. So every JavaScript file I will keep in this folder. Okay, so now, so just I will open and you see there is an option new file. So I will click. Suppose let my first JavaScript file is, suppose my file name is first.js. Okay, so this is my file. Okay, so in this way, I can develop a JavaScript file, or in this way, we can develop an HTML file also. Let's, I will create a file index.html file. Okay, so VS Code environment having a good advantage when we are developing a HTML file. So this VS Code environment generating automatically boilerplate code. So how? Now this is my index.html file. You see just this symbol, exclamatory symbol. So then enter. You see automatically the boilerplate code is generating. So that means one HTML file template automatically VS Code is generating. So as a result, the programmer, the user, not requiring write this code explicitly. This is one of the biggest advantage of VS Code environment. Similarly, this is my first .js file, .js file extension name for JavaScript, .html for what HTML file. File extension name is .html file. If I will write one statement console.log, suppose I log JavaScript. So in this way, we can develop a JavaScript file. So guys, uh, this is all about VS Code environment, how we downloaded, then how we installed, and how we got VS Code environment, and in VS Code environment, how we are creating HTML file and JavaScript file. So I hope everybody got clarity. In my next video, so I will show you the entire JavaScript tutorial series. Okay, so I hope everybody got clarity. Thank you.